Approaches and methods of teaching learning biological science, use of ICT, self-learning, collaborative learning, and concept mapping CPS 3 for Odisha B.Ed and Education Honours. Approaches and methods of teaching learning biological science, use of ICT, self-learning, collaborative learning, and concept mapping. Introduction. In the 21st century, teaching biological science is not limited to just textbooks and chalkboards. Modern classrooms use ICT, information and communication technology, tools to make learning more interactive, visual, and meaningful. ICT helps students to learn at their own pace, self-learning, work together with others, collaborative learning, understand complex topics visually, using concept maps. 1. Use of ICT in biological science learning. ICT refers to tools like computers and laptops, internet and educational websites, smart boards and projectors, mobile apps, YouTube science videos, educational software, Google Classroom, PowerPoint, etc. Benefits of using ICT. Visual learning through animations and videos, example, photosynthesis process. Access to updated information, latest scientific research. Interactive quizzes and simulations, example, human anatomy simulation. Digital microscopes or virtual labs to do experiments online. Use of Google Earth, charts, diagrams in ecology and environment topics. Indian classroom example, in a school in Odisha, the teacher shows a YouTube video explaining the life cycle of a frog. Students watch it and then answer questions in a quiz app like Kahoot. 2. Self-learning using ICT. Self-learning means the student learns by themselves with or without teacher help, using ICT tools. ICT tools for self-learning. Educational apps like Byju's, Diksha app, by Government of India. Online video lectures, YouTube, Khan Academy. Ebooks and PDFs of NCF and Insert books. Online quiz platforms like Quizzes or Kahoot. Benefits. Students can learn anytime, anywhere. Students can pause and replay videos to understand tough topics. Helps in remedial learning for slow learners. Indian context example, in rural schools with limited teachers, students use the Diksha app to revise biology topics after school. 3. Collaborative learning using ICT. Collaborative learning means learning together with classmates using group activities, online tools, and sharing knowledge. ICT tools for collaborative learning. Google Docs for group assignments. Online discussion forums, example, WhatsApp group, Google Classroom. Group presentations using PowerPoint. Shared project work, example, making biodiversity reports. Benefits. Encourages teamwork and cooperation. Builds communication and leadership skills. Promotes peer teaching, where stronger students help others. Example, a group of students works on a PowerPoint presentation about pollution and its effects on human health and presents it in class. 4. Concept mapping in biological science. Concept mapping is a visual diagram that shows the relationship between different ideas or topics in a subject. What is a concept map? A chart with boxes and arrows showing how one idea connects to another. Helps in organizing knowledge clearly. Useful for revision and exam preparation. How to create a concept map. Start with the main topic in the center. Add subtopics as branches. Use arrows or lines to show connections. Example: for the topic photosynthesis, the map may include sunlight, chlorophyll co plus water, glucose plus oxygen. Benefits: helps in deep understanding of complex topics, improves memory and recall, encourages logical thinking. Indian classroom example: a science teacher asks students to draw a concept map on food chain and food web using a 4 sheets or digital tools. Role of the teacher: introduce students to ICT tools, guide them on safe internet use, help them make meaningful concept maps, encourage students to collaborate using online platforms. Use digital tools even in low-resource schools, example, mobile phone plus projector. Challenges in Indian context: lack of internet access in rural schools, shortage of devices like laptops and smart boards. Teachers need training in using digital tools. Electricity issues in remote areas. Solution: use offline apps, download videos in advance, or use TV-based smart classrooms like Odisha's Mo School initiative. Conclusion: the use of ICT, self-learning, collaborative learning, and concept mapping has made biological science more engaging, practical, and meaningful for students in India. It supports NEP 2020's vision of digital and experiential learning and helps every student learn according to their own ability, interest, and speed.